Maintaining a balanced and diverse diet is paramount for digestive health. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients that support the digestive process. Fiber-rich foods, in particular, aid in proper bowel function and help prevent constipation. Hydration is another crucial factor in supporting digestion. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day ensures the smooth passage of food through the digestive tract and helps prevent dehydration-related complications. In addition to dietary considerations, engaging in regular physical activity can contribute to a healthy digestive system. Exercise promotes bowel regularity and accelerates the digestion process, reducing the likelihood of constipation. In conclusion, prioritizing a nutritious diet, staying well hydrated, and incorporating regular exercise into your routine are fundamental steps toward maintaining a healthy digestive tract. These lifestyle choices, combined with periodic colon cleansing, can significantly contribute to overall well-being and prevent the onset of digestive issues and related health concerns. Here's a recipe that can clean your colon in only a few minutes. Ingredients: 150 grains of plums, 150 grains of dates, 5 cups of boiling water. Preparation: bring the water to a boil in a pot and add the sliced plums and dates, then reduce the heat to low and simmer the mixture for about 15 minutes. Now, leave it to cool down and transfer it to another container, then take a tablespoon of the remedy on an empty stomach in the morning. This powerful mixture will improve your digestion while relieving problems such as constipation with ease. It will clean your colon completely and improve your overall health. Try it yourself and you'll be amazed by the results.